Horrifying dash cam has captured the moment an out-of-control driver slammed into a group of school children. Parents of the injured cried in court as the judge told the thug how his careless actions had affected his young victims.
The man behind the wheel of this ute has never had a licence. He veered from slowing traffic, smashed through a sign, then ploughed into a group of school children who never saw him coming. As terrified kids ran from the danger, Zane Seward jumped out of his car with his phone in his hand, but he didn't call for help. He instead walked around 7 injured children and a mother who was badly hurt, then ran. The 22-year-old was arrested 3 days later, while his victims recovered in hospital. A mother recalled her horror. The accident scene looked like a war zone. I ran to my kids. I heard them crying and screaming. They were both covered in blood. The court heard how children as young as 6 are still struggling with their injuries. I feel angry and sad. I used to love to do cartwheels and flips. I can't do them now. Sewer pleaded guilty to 11 charges, including recklessly caused serious injury and failure to render assistance. His victims cried in court as he was jailed for 9 years with a minimum of 5. The judge made it clear Sewer had caused pain not only for the injured, but for those who witnessed the crash. He spoke of one father whose 2 children and wife were taken to 3 different hospitals. He was forced to make the gut-wrenching decision of who to get to first. The judge accepted Sewer was remorseful, but said he'd been sorry in the past and kept offending. Chanel Vella, 7 News.